A13 Sean, slow this.
For the raid, I'm in the Chevrolet Impala with duct tape around the dirty ass revolver. Real check, Versace jet for the charter. Make sure them vultures with me every time I depart. Yeah, I fucked it good, real good, and I ain't calling. You say I'm being petty. I be ready like Freddy if a nigga got a problem, pussy nigga, I'm ready. 15 for a 9-piece. I swear I don't make no motherfucking sense, this bitch a dime piece. $250,000 on a timepiece. Keep it real and they change on you, still don't surprise me. And niggas know not to try me. I been spending, then I bend it to my people house a pine tree. But 50, let me duck in the dungeon. I bear in the Benz and the San Jumanji. When they coming out with some new women, cause all the bad bitches not on that fatty. And it felt really well, motherfucker, I'm healthy. Nigga, Dr. Savvy. Yeah, little mixed bitch with hazel eyes. I'm like, can I get your number? Her friend say, can you? She say you Haitian in the Gemini, boy, I already know you trouble, but LOL text me. Came through day block, swinging like baseball. Shoulda had these things out, gave they hood a paint job. Rip a nigga face out, won't stop, can't stop. By the time they check off this whole set and take off, burning shit made off. Been pressure since I came out the womb, I'm a motherfucking goon. Hey, pop that boy balloon, pune and zoom. Fredo in the doom, you beef with me, you doom. Flip up finna be soon, you coming home in June. Thuggin' every noon, ain't no lovey-dovey-doo. Keep a Glock like it's glue, snatch back and shoe. Off-white shoe, the crack khaki too. Pop that boy balloon, pune, zoom. She know I was a bug, I was born June. Posted in the club, blowing cake to fume.